Ganun pa rin sila? Ramdam mo ba na parang hindi na nag-grow ang mga empleyado mo? Na parang stuck na sila sa dati nilang kaalaman? Naku anak, I feel you talaga. Let me share the story of my mentee na si Ana. She runs a marketing agency. Nung nag-expand sila, kailangan na nila ng mga tao na marunong mag-handle ng digital campaigns. Meron siyang mga member na mas matagal na, pero traditional marketing lang ang alam. What did Ana do? She kept hiring new people instead of training her existing team. Ang resulta, gumastos siya ng malaki sa recruitment and then yung old employees niya, nagtampo pa, papalitan na sila. So I asked her, Ana, bakit hindi mo na lang i-train ang mga kasama mo? Mahal yun, Mami N, sabi niya. I explained to her that training is an investment, not an expense. And so, she started with small steps. Taking my advice, she allocated a budget for online courses, conducted weekly skill-sharing sessions. Guess what happened? Her employees became more engaged and they felt valued. Plus, mas naging versatile yung kanyang team. Anak, eto ang lesson. Kapag nag-grow ang mga empleyado mo, nag-grow din ang negosyo mo. Hindi kailangan ng mahal na seminars. Start with internal training, online resources, or mentoring. Investment mo sa kanila. So let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you want more strategies to grow your business without the stress, grab my book, Grow Your Business Pinoy. Link in the comments.